Howdy, it's Doug Fine on the Funky Butte Ranch mid-season as flowering begins. This year I feel like I'm learning a lot about polyculture here on the Funky Butte Ranch, seeing how hemp plants nicely with basil, beans, kale, tomatoes, and our other superfood crops. It's a real education for me in the many ways that hemp will work in the garden. In this case, shading basil and beans. It's really amazing ecosystem underneath each hemp plant. It's a ton of fun to see plants coming to fruition with these incredible palm leaves that I can high five over here. But it all starts in the soil, and if you're interested in learning more, please click the links below to take my online regenerative hemp course. In chapter 2, we talk a lot about how everything starts in the soil, and the whole course is pretty comprehensive. When you're done, you get a hemp completion certificate. Hope you enjoy. Visit me at dougfine.com and Twitter and Instagram at Organic Cowboy. Links to all my books and TED Talk and live event schedule and all that good stuff is at dougfine.com. See you there.